This Zoom session is being brought to you by the Fractal Heart of Gold Forming. All right, that'll do for now. All right, e to the power x. That's an exponential with a very special base, the number e. Now, e is one of those constants in mathematics. It's sort of been around for a couple of centuries that we've known about. It's about as important in math as the number pi is, so it's like up there. Okay, it's specifically 2.71828182845 going on endlessly. It can be written as a limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the power n. As n goes to infinity, this approaches 1, and this approaches infinity, and 1 to the infinity could be anything. Specifically, it's this. It's also equal to this infinite sum. 1 over 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 over 1, plus 1 over 1 plus 2, plus 1 over 1 plus 2 times 3, plus 1 over 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and so on indefinitely. Okay, so it's this. It shows up in, for example, in continuous compounding. If you have p is the present value of a loan, and a is its later value, its future value, and r is the interest rate, compounded continuously, and t is the time that the loan grew, then a, the future value, equals p, the present value, times e to the power r times t, an exponential. So, for example, if we have a principal of $5,000 and it grows at 8.2% compounded continuously for 12 years, then what's the future value? Okay, future value A is PE to the RT, which is 5,000 times e to the 0.082 times 12. And after a bit of button pushing, you get $13,375.68. Here we have something which is decaying, depreciating. It's an interest rate of negative 2%. And so it's constantly declining. Starting at a present value of 15,875, declining at 2%, so negative 2% growth rate. For 16 years gives you what future value? Future value equals PE to the RT equals 15,895 times e to the power negative 0.02 times 16, which is about $11,542.14. Here we have $565 exponentially declining at 0.5% for 8 years. What's the later amount? All right, it's 565 times e to the negative 0.005 times 8, which comes out to 542.85. Here we have another simple one. P equals 2e to the 0.02t. What's p at 12? That's easy enough. You substitute. 2 times e to the 0.027 times 12. And calculator, after a bit of calculating, gives you about 51 point something. Okay, so there that goes.